Select your topic of visualization. Open codes list. Select your algorithm. Click on the command. And now you can see that command is copied to the input. Close the codes list once you are done with copying the command. Hit enter and your visualization will start. Animation is started, as you can see. You can alter the speed of animation. In some animation you would need to create data structure first. It would be specified in the code list. You can pause animation also, and play it as well. You can skip the animation if you don't have much time. Thank you for using Graphical Structure.